Common household items. Toilet brush. Toilet paper. Drain. Tap. Shower hose. Basin. Soap. Shaver. Shampoo bottle. Conditioner bottle. Comb. Hairdryer. Cotton pads. Doorknob. Door handle. Doorbell. Key. Window frame. Window screen. Curtain. Lock. Keyhole. Blinds. Light switch. Curtain rod. Curtain rings. Shutters. Outlet. Plug. Extension cord. Light bulb. Fan. Power strip. Ceiling light. Quilt. Comfort. Bedsheet. Pillowcase. Bedside table. Nightstand. Drawer. Closet. Iron. Ironing board. Basket. Fabric softener. Carpet. End table. Cushion. Couch. Calendar. Picture frame. Painting. Newspaper. Mixer. Candle holder. Plant pot. Magazine. Bottle opener. Food container. Dishwasher. Dish soap. Trash bag. Sink sponge. Apron. Oven mitt. Paper towel. Timer. Washer. Dryer. Faucet. Shower head. Bathtub. Sink. Toilet. Toilet seat. Plunger. Soap dispenser. Body wash. Towel. Hand towel. Bath towel. Bath mat. Mirror. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Razor. Hairbrush. Cotton swabs. Window. Lamp. Phone charger. Blanket. Bed. Mattress. Pillow. Wardrobe. Clothes hanger. Shelf. Laundry basket. Laundry detergent. Chair. sofa, rug, coffee table, TV, remote control, speaker, clock, vase, candle, bookshelf, book, coffee maker, air fryer, pressure cooker, pot, refrigerate, freezer, stove, oven, microwave, toaster, kettle, electric kettle, blender, juicer, rice cooker, pan, frying pan, cutting board, knife, spoon, fork, cup, mug, glass, plate, bowl, strainer, colander, measuring cup, whisk, spatula, ladle, rolling pin, can opener, lunchbox, dish rack, trash can, recycling bin, napkin, thermos, water bottle, washing machine, bucket, broom, mop, vacuum cleaner, computer, laptop, tablet, pen, pencil,